YouTube, what's up, man? It's your boy Young. I'm back with another video. Hey, today I am wiring up these ghost lights for my Dodge Magnum, man. As y'all can see right here, these are the ghost lights. You know what I mean? This is the original. But obviously, if y'all don't know, the Dodge Magnum does not come with the puddle lights underneath the front doors. Only I believe only the 300s and maybe the Chargers. I'm not for sure, but like I said, these panels are from a Chrysler 300 panels, all black. Let's see if I can show y'all right quick so I don't mess it up. All right. And you know the Chrysler 300s has the puddle lights, so as y'all can see right here, like I said, these are the originals right here. So when I get the car back, as y'all know, it is in the body shop. So when I get the car back, this is already wired. Actually, not even when I get the car back. When they put the door panels on, these new ones, all I gotta do is wire. This is already wired already, and I can just feed it through the door and back into the car. So then when I get the car back to the house, I'm gonna wire up these to another interior light. So every time I open the door, these puddle lights will pop on. But also I want to make sure I had to check and make sure they work, man. So, which they both do. The other one right here. So I'm gonna show y'all they work. I'm gonna use my jump pack right quick. Let y'all know that they do work. All right, bring this closer right quick. All right, it's my negative. Also, I had to know which one was the negative and which one was the positive. But like I said, it's got black and yellow, so I'm pretty sure the black was the ground and the yellow was the positive. So what I'm gonna do is turn this jump pack on right quick. All right, go ahead and connect the positive. There we go. Connect the positive. Go ahead and connect the negative, which is down here. Gosh, I'm trying to do this with one hand. Alright. Negative's connected. Positive is connected right here. Alright, I'm gonna hit the switch. On. See his light letting up. Turn the switch off. Alright. Turn it off. Switch gone. Turn it on. Bam. So we got power, man. So we know it works. So all I have to do now is basically just wire this up to one of my interior lights in my Magnum, and I'll be good to go. And yes, I've done things like this before on my Escalade when I wired up some custom LED strip lights, so every time you open the door and my running boards pop down, especially at nighttime, you can see it give you some illumination to the ground. But like I say, these are the SRT. It does say SRT when the lights is on, so it's gonna look pretty dope. Like I say, I always love to be, I'm a custom dude, so I gotta do custom things, man. So I couldn't let this go to waste. So I'm definitely gonna be hooking wiring these up once I get the car back. And yes, the car is to this day, the car is painted, as in the door jambs and back behind the door panels of the door is painted right now. The car might be fully painted right now, I'm not for sure, but I'm gonna check on that later. But I might throw the clip in of the door, or y'all sneak peek of the paint, or I might just go ahead and throw it in another video. So y'all like, y'all share, y'all subscribe. Like I said, this is real easy, man. Just wire it up, man. Cut through, wire it up, man. That's all you gotta do, man. So y'all like, share, subscribe, man. It's your boy Young Rich. I'm out, man. Join the vision, man. It's vision gain all day, baby. Yeah.
Damn, okay.